You never run code in a vacuum. It runs inside an environment, a combination of versions, variables, and what's installed on your machine. You get the environment wrong, and works on my machine is what happens next. That's the most famous line in software. Two machines, same code, two different results. The code didn't change, the environment did. The bug is in the surroundings. Three layers make up your environment: versions, node, PNMP, the OS itself, variables, envars, .env, and what's loaded in your shell session, and dependencies, different node modules, global tools. Three layers, different bugs hide in each one. Module 2 covered the surface area, command not found. Here's the deeper reason. Even after you've installed something, the shell can still say it's missing because the shell doesn't search the whole computer for your tool. It searches a specific list of folders, what is known as called the path. The path is a list of folders separated by colons. When you type a command, get pnpm node, the shell looks in each folder in order and runs the first file with that name it finds. Full folders here. Search order left to right. First match wins. You see, you type pnpm, the shell looks in folder 1, not there. Then folder 2, not there. 3, not there. Folder 4, founds it and runs it. If it gets to the end of the list without finding anything, it stops and says, command not found. Not because the file doesn't exist, it's just because it doesn't exist in any of these folders. So here's the trap. You'll hit it. Command not found. But look, the file is right here in home.local share pnpm. Tool's installed, but the shell still can't find it. Why? The folder isn't on the path. So, two commands, which, followed by the tool that says where the shell would find it, and echo $path that shows every folder being searched. Run them together, and you will find which shows up where. So this is where AI's help runs out. The AI can read your code, but it cannot read your path, your installed tools, or your shell session. Environment bugs are the ones you have to recognize yourself. So 3 more lessons in this module: envars and .env, node versions and NVM. Same theme, they make the environment visible. So up next are environment variables in the .env files.